Okay, this is Joanna from Glasspirits. I am at Gretsch Guitar World Headquarters in Arizona. We are working on modifying this Gretsch Firebird. Is this a, Joey, is this a specific Firebird?
It's a jet Firebird. No, you got it.
Okay. And yeah, we're gonna, well, it's mostly gonna be Joe Carducci, expert, master technician. I'm gonna find a way to kind of have a stereo output, and so it can be with bass and guitar. Bass coming out of the right signal and the guitar coming out of the left signal. So we will see. We are mad scientists. We're in his office, his rock and roll shrine, and his gears are turning. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Problem solving. Using tools.
That could fit, maybe, but then we get something that looks MIDI box, bucker, pickup. Let's look at this.
Okay, so.
Okay, so you know what? There's stuff out there we can make this thing happen.
Okay. Excited. So now we're looking at individual string pickups. We'll see what we can find out there and what we can put together. We're also thinking of the piezo pickups. So we'll see. We'll see what we can get our hands on.
See what we can conjure up.
Yeah. This is very exciting. Just because from being in a two-piece band, you know, there's a lot of two-piece bands out there, and something like this has a lot of functionality and could potentially. All right. All right.
Okay,
Progress. Now we're thinking about installing a pre-existing pickup, or only about, I guess, 3 of the poles will be activated via switch, inspired from the Chet Atkins stereo guitar. Oh yes.